Are you still clinging to your 2018 iPad Pro, waiting for a significant upgrade? Brace yourself because the 2024 iPad Pro is set to deliver the most substantial transformation yet. In this update, we'll dive into the monumental changes that await, offering you a glimpse into the future of iPad technology. Stick around for a recap of the major upgrades and some fresh details since our last update in July. For those eyeing the 2024 iPad Pro or any iPad, consider checking out Paperlike. Their innovative cleaning kit ensures the ultimate screen cleaning experience with refillable pallets for up to 500 cleanings and a design built to last for a decade. Elevate your iPad usage with Paperlike's sleek and durable cleaning kit, a must-have, especially for travelers. The first and perhaps most notable change is the shift to OLED technology. Initial reports suggest a dual-stacked OLED panel, promising superior brightness levels and addressing the limitations of current tablet OLED panels. With enhanced black levels and reduced bloom effects, the 2024 12.9-inch iPad Pro is gearing up for an impressive display upgrade. The 11-inch model, still using an LCD, is also in for a treat with the introduction of OLED, promising perfect blacks, heightened contrast, and a more vibrant visual experience. Reports indicate that production of these OLED displays is set to commence in February, hinting at a potential announcement during Apple's March 2024 event. The thinner OLED panels combining flexibility with glass may maintain the iPad Pro's current thickness. With Apple ordering around 10 million OLED panels, it's evident they're gearing up for a substantial iPad Pro sales boost in 2024. Accompanying the OLED upgrade, anticipate new features like an always-on display and possibly a dynamic island, adding to the iPad's appeal. The second major upgrade is the introduction of the M3 chip. Building on the success of the M3 chip in the latest MacBook Pros, expect hardware-based ray tracing for improved gaming and app experiences. The M3 chip's enhanced power efficiency may contribute to better battery life, finally exceeding the long-standing 10-hour claim from Apple's early iPad models. Additionally, the M3 chip's impressive overall performance, seen in tasks like Lightroom exports and Blender rendering, ensures a longer life cycle for the iPad Pro. Speculation arises about increased RAM following the M3 MacBook Pro's 8GB struggles in complex projects. More RAM, similar to the M2 iPad Pro's 16GB in higher-tier models, could be a welcome addition. Storage enthusiasts will appreciate the rumored upgrade to a 4TB storage tier, catering to those handling large files like ProRes projects. Brace yourselves for a redesigned Magic Keyboard, featuring an aluminum keyboard area for a more MacBook-like appearance. The larger trackpad, reminiscent of MacBook designs, promises an enhanced user experience, particularly for gesture-based interactions. Is a new Apple Pencil on the horizon? Leaks suggest an Apple Pencil 3 with interchangeable magnetic tips, catering to graphic designers' needs. Apple's patent for color sampling from the real world adds an exciting dimension to digital art creation. While rumors of a glass back for wireless charging have faded, expect visual changes such as thinner bezels, new colors, and a landscape-oriented Apple logo and Face ID camera for improved video calls with keyboards attached. However, these advancements come at a price. Sources indicate a significant price increase for the 2024 iPad Pro, potentially reaching $1,500 for the 11-inch model and $1,800 for the 12.9-inch model. Please make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe to this channel if you want to hear the most recent updates on Apple news, reviews, and comparisons. I'll see you all very soon, and guys, until the next time, be careful.